Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really, really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day, and then you look at where the price closed here, yeah, even with the pullback, I get that. But still, after the pullback, the price is still much, much higher than where it was. And that leads to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that thought in mind, let's look at a certain level that, like I said, makes sense to me. And that level is right here at $1.65. So why is $1.65 so important? Well, let's say that the price comes down here and then hovers around and then breaks to the downside. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength, right? However, on the flip side, and like I said, I'm not saying the price will come down here, but just for example's sake, comes down here, which would already be a pretty drastic pullback, but after that, and then starts to head its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation right here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the phrase make progress forward as $1.65. So no doubt about it, any way you slice it, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum, and the whole quote-unquote building, at least in my mind, starts at staying up above $1.65. So we'll see what Friday and then next week brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.